Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the description to updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is Manufacturing Industries. Question number 1. In 1857, where the first cotton mill of India was founded? Option A, Mysore. Option B, Surat. Option C, Kolkata. Option D, Bombay. The correct answer is Option C, Kolkata. First cotton mill was established in Kolkata near Fort Gloucester. Question number 2. Largest producer of jute and jute made goods. Option A, Bangladesh. Option B, India. Option C, Sri Lanka. Option D, Brazil. The correct answer is Option B, India. India is the world's largest producer of jute, but imported approximately 1,62,000 tons of raw fiber and 1,75,000 tons of jute products in 2011. West Bengal is the leading producer of jute in India. Question number 3. Iron and steel is a. Option A, an agro-based industry. Option B, a chemical-based industry. Option C, basic industry. Option D, tertiary industry. The correct answer is Option C, basic industry. Iron and steel industry is known as basic industry as it provides a base to the other industries. It provides raw materials to shipbuilding, transport equipments, machine and tool making industry, aircraft, etc. Question number 4. Durgapur is situated in Option A, Jharkhand. Option B, Orissa. Option C, Chhattisgarh. Option D, West Bengal. The correct answer is Option D, West Bengal. Durgapur is in the Paschim Bardhaman district of West Bengal, on the bank of the Damodar River, just before it enters the alluvial plains of Bengal. Question number 5. Chemical industries usually are located near. Option A, iron and steel industries. Option B, thermal power plant. Option C, oil refineries. Option D, automobile industry. The correct answer is Option C, oil refineries. Chemical industry has its own largest consumer. Many organic chemical industries are located near the oil refineries and big petrochemical complexes. In the inorganic chemical industry, the raw materials used are lightweight and so they are cheap and easy to transport. Both the above factors contribute to the wide dispersal of chemical industry all over India. Question number 6. STP is the abbreviation of. Option A, System Tech Park. Option B, Software Technology Park. Option C, State Thermal Plant. Option D, Software Technology Picket. The correct answer is Option B, Software Technology Park. Software technology parks of India have come up across 46 locations at different centers of India. However, the major industry concentration is at Bangalore, Noida, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad, and Pune. Question number 7. NTPC is the abbreviation of. Option A, National Textile Production Company. Option B, National Technology Production Company. Option C, National Thermal Power Company. Option D, National Tuberculosis Prevention Company. The correct answer is Option C, National Thermal Power Company. National Thermal Power Corporation, India. NTPC is a major power providing corporation in India. It has ISO certification for EMS, Environment Management System. Question number 8. Atomic power plant causes. Option A. Water pollution. Option B. Noise pollution. Option C. Air pollution. Option D. Heat pollution. The correct answer is option C. Air pollution. Using nuclear power in place of fossil fuel energy sources, such as coal, has prevented some 1.8 million air pollution-related deaths globally and could save millions of more lives in coming decades, concludes a study. The researchers also find that nuclear energy prevents emissions of huge quantities of greenhouse gases. Question number 9. Producing goods in large quantities after processing raw materials to more valuable products is called option A. Industries. Option B. Small-scale production. Option C. Manufacturing. Option D. Large-scale production. The correct answer is option C. Manufacturing. Production of goods in large quantities after processing from raw materials to more valuable products is called manufacturing. Paper is manufactured from wood, sugar from sugarcane, iron and steel from iron ore, and aluminium from bauxite. Question number 10. Electronic capital of India is option A. New Delhi. Option B. Mumbai. Option C. Bangalore. Option D. Chennai. The correct answer is option C. Bangalore. Bangalore is called as the electronic capital of India because it was the first city in India in which electricity was introduced in 1905. Question number 11. Electronic capital of India is option A. New Delhi. Option B. Mumbai. Option C. Bangalore. Option D. Chennai. The correct answer is option C. Bangalore. Bangalore is called as the electronic capital of India because it was the first city in India in which electricity was introduced in 1905. Question number 12. Largest producer of sugar in the world is option A. Brazil. Option B. Bangladesh. Option C. China. Option D. India. The correct answer is option D. India. India is the second largest producer of sugar in the world. First is Brazil. Question number 13. Iron and steel industry is called option A. Heavy industry. Option B. Small industry. Option C. Largest industry. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is option A. Heavy industry. The iron and steel industry is called the basic industry because all the other industries depend on it for their machinery. Question number 14. 60% of sugar mills are concentrated in which of the following state? Option A. Punjab. Option B. Maharashtra. Option C. Uttar Pradesh. Option D. West Bengal. The correct answer is option C. Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the second state with highest sugar mills in India with a number of 155. Karnataka is the third state with highest sugar mills in India with a number of 58. Question number 15. Which of the following public sector steel plants of India is located near a port? Option A. Durgapur. Option B. Vijayanagar. Option C. Bhadravati. Option D. Vishakhapatnam. The correct answer is option D. Vishakhapatnam. Vishakhapatnam, located in Andhra Pradesh, is one of the public sector steel plant of India found near a port. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.